best singers in Calbayog City. In my opinion. 5. Donna Soñate. 4. Christian Gobrin. Wow, yun din ako nga. 3. Anika Samuel Saavedra. 2. Nati Bileran. Maxine Monsanto Pomida. But the best videoke session that has been the longest time yet. 5. Girls Never Next Door. 4. Akon Balay, JB's House. 3. Girls Apartment at the Kitchen. 2. To Pass Singers. 1. The Loud House, The Fun House, The Neros House. Speaking of the Neros, here they have a listen to by Beyonce. Dude, it's literally been 5 hours. Why are they doing this? Yeah, maka-end at 2 AM for sure. Yeah, this happens every time, every fiesta, like every year. Yeah, I feel like the videoke marathon should stay as usual as the winning streak before classes started. Video mag-move to another city, like Katalman, Pauti Buhay, ay kadamo sinema kung ano makanta. Sinanay Red ayaw magstay. Sinanay makato sa Tansingko, Pauti Buhay. Akong tumitoy ko na full sack. Para maka-ignore naman good man sa may kung ano. 6 hours na what? Not going to okay. Remember I said 4 PM mag-end. They're not end. 9 PM talaga. They're not going to end. I'm going to sleep at 9 PM. Pauti buhay. They will not magstay dito. There's a videoke marathon for so long in the meantime. I'm not gonna cry. Yes, bring me rain or I die. I'm just postponing gacha games naman, huh?